What is up, it's your boy Amazin Ace, and we're back with another video. And today, we are going to be talking about the thing. Oh my god, yo, that was so horrible. Oh my gosh.
Amazing. Pick up your phone.
Like, what are you doing? Okay,
It's
bye.
something we have. It's an emergency. We have to talk to you about something.
Okay, bye.
Hello ladies and gentlemen, it's your guy Amazin Ace, and today we will be making, some cookies as you read the title. Alright, this is a DIY, so let's get into it. So the first thing that you need is foil. Alright, so if you got foil in your house, get that open. We definitely need that to make the cookies, okay? Next thing you need is a pan, okay? So let me put this pan, there we go. Got that pan right there, okay? We definitely need the pan. So now what we do with the foil in the pan, we put the foil onto the pan and put it on all the sides. Make sure that it's big enough to fit on the whole entire pan. We definitely need, we need to make sure that it fills the whole entire pan. So yeah, make sure, you do it as I'm showing you guys right there. See? It's not, it's big enough. Yeah. Okay, now these are the type of cookies that I will be using, okay? You can use any type of cookies. Make sure you read the instructions on the back so you know what you're doing, because if you don't read instructions, you're going to mess up everything, okay? So make sure you always look at the back of the package so everything's good, alright? Now, when you have your foil in your pan, put it down on a flat surface, grab your cookie dough, and, get that open. Once you get your cookie dough open, there will be slices already done for you. So you take as many slices as you want, and you could put it together to make a whole cookie. And as I will be showing you, I will be forming the cookie dough into my hand, into a ball kind of, to show you how much cookie I want. So make sure you pay very close attention of what I'm doing. Then you will want to put the cookie dough onto the pan. After you put it into the pan, you're going to want to put it into the oven or bake thingy. I forgot what it's called. But yeah, you put it into there, and then you read the instructions on the back of the package, and whatever it says on the back of the package, you have to put on the oven. I believe that's what it's called. And you're all set. Then you have to wait.
Big J, you're on fire.
On my instructions, it tells me to put it onto here, this level, and at this time, and obviously we're baking cookies, so I had to put it on bake, as you guys can see on.
Yo, Pierre, you want to come out here?
When you're done setting up, you must press start. As you can see, now the cookie dough is baking. Time to wait. So I guess, your boy got the moves. Hey, let's go. Yeah, hold on. Yeah, hold on. The cookie dough is now done and your cookie is ready to eat. But first, you're going to want it to finish cooling off. It's been in there for a very long time, so let it cool off for 2 minutes.
Big J, you're on fire.
Make sure you get a big cup because, this right here, that is not it. That's too small. So you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna put that right back, okay? We're gonna get a big cup so we can have a lot of milk to eat with our cookie. Because everybody knows that cookies and milk go great together. So let's get that good cup.
Yo, Pierre, you want to come out here?
Now that you got your big cup, you may now pour the milk. The timer is up, and the cookie should now be nice and warm. So, get you something to grab the hot stove with, because you don't want to get burned. It might still be a little bit hot, so get you one of those pan holders, and yeah. That's the cookie right there now. It's looking so good, okay? You see, I'm kind of skilled with this. I don't really need the pan holder that much, so yeah, that's pretty much it. Ooh, this cookie and this milk looking so good. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to eat it. Okay, here I go. Here I go. Yes, sir. Oh, this is, yeah. Oh, man, I should have been made this. You know what, from now on, I'm eating cookies every day. Yo, this is so good. Man, I hope this tutorial helped you out, you feel me? DIY, whatever you're gonna call it. Yeah, so, I'm out of here, I'm gone. Yeah, peace.
Big J, you're on fire.
Yo, Pierre, you want to come out here?
Yeah, hop inside my cool, baby, yeah, we gotta go. I was on the Percocets, you was on them kilos. I was dissing kids in my class, now we gotta go. Go,